In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add QR code to Squarespace 2023. By the end, you'll know how to access your site, find the right place to work, and download the QR code you need for print or digital use. QR codes are great for directing people to a specific page, a menu, a booking form, or a promo link. So let's make this smooth and reliable. First, head to your website's dashboard and sign in so you can manage your site. Make sure you're in the correct site if you have more than one, and confirm you're viewing the main website settings, not just a preview. It helps to use a desktop browser for full access to the editor and tools. Next, click on Pages. This opens the panel where all your site's pages live: your home page, about page, contact page, and any hidden or utility pages. Take a second to locate the page that the QR code will point to, or the page where you plan to place information about that QR. Keeping your content organized here will save you time later when you share or print the code. Now, click on the relevant page in the Pages panel, the one you want to work with. In many layouts, you'll see a highlighted area or callout that indicates where key tools or page-specific assets can be accessed. Click the highlight that corresponds to the page content or settings you're managing. If you're unsure, hover your mouse and look for contextual labels to confirm you're in the right place. From there, look for another highlighted control or callout that specifically references your QR option or asset. This highlight usually points you to the exact control you need, so click it to proceed. If you don't immediately see it, scroll within the panel or expand the section to reveal more options. A quick refresh of the editor can help if the interface looks stuck. Finally, click on Download QR code. Choose a file format that fits your use case. PNG works well for most purposes, while SVG is excellent for crisp print at any size. Save the file to a clear named folder so you can find it easily later. Before you share or print, test the QR with your phone's camera to confirm it scans and opens the intended page. For best results, use high contrast, leave quiet space around the code, and avoid placing it over busy backgrounds. If you'll print it, size it generously so it scans from a reasonable distance. That's it. Quick, clean, and ready to use.